If any of these apply to your website, it might be time for a rebuild. Let's run the checklist and be honest with yourself. You don't need a flashy site, but you do need one that's fast, clear, and built to help customers trust you and take action. Here's a simple checklist to help you figure out whether your current site is helping you grow or quietly holding your business back. Sign number 1, it's not mobile friendly. 80% of visitors are on their phones. If your site's hard to navigate, pinches in weird ways, or doesn't load right, they bounce. Check your site on your phone. If it's clunky or hard to tap around, that's a red flag. Sign number 2, it's slow to load. Seconds to load, you're losing visitors, and Google won't rank you as high. Run your site through tools like Google PageSpeed or GTmetrix. They'll show you exactly what's slowing it down. Sign number 3, you're not getting any leads. Do people visit your site but never call or fill out a form? That usually means one of two things. Your message isn't clear, or your calls to action are buried or missing altogether. A website without leads is like a storefront with no open sign. Sign number 4, you're embarrassed to share it. If you hesitate to send someone your link, if you say, I need to update it every time it comes up, that's your gut telling you it's not doing your brand justice. And if you don't trust your website, neither will your customers. Sign number 5, it hasn't been updated in 2+ years. Tech changes fast, so do design trends. A site that hasn't been touched in years starts to feel old, and customers can tell. Worse, outdated plugins or broken features can also be a security risk. Bonus, you built it yourself, and you're not a web designer. No shame, we all start somewhere. But if your site still looks like a starter site, it might be time for a professional upgrade. Your business has grown. Your website should reflect that. So, how many did you check? Not mobile friendly? No leads coming in? Still rocking your 2018 DIY layout? If even 1 or 2 of these hit home, it might be time to upgrade, and we can help. At Engage, we build websites that are fast, mobile ready, and built to bring in leads. And the best part? We'll get it done in just 72 hours. Visit EngageYourBiz.com. Engage Your Business, our expertise.